Most people fail to reprogram their mind, not because it doesn't work, but because they're doing it the wrong way. Here are 3 mistakes that block your brain from change and how to fix them. Hi, my name is Robert Herdman. I'm a hypnotist and mindset coach, and I help people reprogram their mind and develop the daily habits they need to perform at their best. Mistake number 1, trying to force change instead of feeling it emotionally. Affirmations don't work if you only say them cognitively. Your subconscious mind doesn't speak logic, it speaks emotion. When you repeat an affirmation, you have to feel it as true, even if it's only for just a second. The emotion is what opens the door to your subconscious. So instead of repeating, I am confident with tension, take a breath, relax. Use your powerful imagination to feel what confidence feels like in your body. Mistake number 2, expecting instant results. Reprogramming takes repetition. You can't override decades of conditioning in one session. Think of it like learning an instrument. Every repetition strengthens a neural connection. You wouldn't quit the gym after just one workout. So don't quit your mental training after just one day. You must retrain your subconscious mind. And just like everything else you've learned in life, it takes repetition. Mistake number 3, only working at a surface level. Most people try to reprogram their mind while still fully awake. But the conscious mind filters out everything that doesn't fit your current beliefs. That's why hypnosis, meditation, or deep relaxation states are so effective. They quieten that filter and allow new programming to go straight to the subconscious. It's not magic, it's neuroscience. You must bypass the conscious analytical mind, and the best way to do that is to take yourself into an altered state. Think about this in simple terms. We learn things much easier, much better, much quicker when we're relaxed and focused. Instead of trying to force your mind to change, start a new daily practice of a few moments each day to get started. Make this part of your daily routine. Pick a time during the day where it's practical for you to take a few moments. First thing in the morning or last thing at night are the perfect time. Stay consistent and work on the right level of your mind. Get into the habit of doing this and change becomes effortless. Remember, your subconscious mind isn't your enemy. It's your operating system. You just have to learn how to update it. So if you want help doing this in the right way, my Change Your Life in 7 Days with Hypnosis program guide you through the exact same process, step by step, with daily subconscious sessions to rewire confidence, discipline, and beliefs from the inside out. You'll find the link for this program both in the description below and the comments. And if this video resonated with you, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll receive more videos like this that will help you train your subconscious mind to work for you, not against you.